Hi guys, in this class we will learn about MySQLi update query. So its syntax is that you have to type update and here table name, and this keyword you have to mention set and your table field name and its new value, field name and its new value. So when you write this type of query, all the fields that you mention will have same value. For example, this is a field of name and you change, for example, mention here, for example, name change to this value. So every value will be changed to that new value. So you have to restrict here. You have to say that where ID number this one, where name is this one. So you have to provide a condition. If you did not provide any condition, then it will update all the column, all the field. Like this one, update, you have to type update this table and set field 1 this new value, field 2 new value, where column name is column value. So when you provide this condition, it will update only that row which match this condition. So this is very important one to provide condition. So what you have to do after this one, you have to use MySQLi extension, and MySQLi extension have MySQLi underscore query function that is used to run any query. So it take argument, connection, and another is a query variable. Now I open Visual Studio Code and learn how you can update a table in database. In a Visual Studio Code, creating a new file and save this file with name update dot. This is a chapter 4, chapter 04. In this folder update.php, and now copy and paste here and remove all the coding, just connection should be here. Now what I have to do, this will be a update query. Now I have to open this file, parent directory, chapter 4, update.php, connection is created, and this is our database, student database, and in student my underscore std is table, and you will see that now I want to update this record. You can see that I want to update this row because I have to provide city name, marks, and also status I have to provide. That is why I want to update this one. Update this row which have ID 12. Now what I have to do, I have to make a query, update table name my underscore std, set column name std underscore ct, std underscore ct, and its value should be, for example, value I want to provide lower. Now another is std underscore marks, and its value should be, for example, 100, and std status equal to fail. Now I have to provide condition also. If I did not provide condition, every std ct marks status will have these information. For that reason I have to provide a condition where std id should be equal to 12. So it will apply, or it will change only row which have std underscore id is equal to 12. Now what I have to store this into variable. For example, variable is q and MySQLi query, and take argument one is connection, another is this query variable, and when I refresh this one, update this one, you can see that record is updated, only this record is updated. Now what I have to do, I want to update this record, the ID which have 13 ID. Here you can see that 13, and information change loud to about, and its number is 200. Status is for example pass, and this information should be updated of row which have ID is 13. You can see that where we have to use where class, about where we will learn complete and in detail from the next class. Save this one, refresh this file, refresh this database to see updated result. You can see that result is updated. For example, I want to show you one thing. I did not provide where command, and I want to change city name. So query say that update my std, this table should be updated. Set std city should be equal to Islamabad. I did not provide any condition. When you did not provide any condition, it will change all the record. All the column of std underscore city will have Islamabad city. Now refresh this one and refresh this database. You can see that all the cities have one value, that is Islamabad. For that reason, you have to provide condition. Condition is very important to provide. So any type of condition you can provide. So this is a update query that used to update any record, any existed record. So this is very important one query when we work on CRUD system or CMS system, in which you have to use this query. So in the next class we will learn how you can use a delete query.